Okay, hello student, hi. So we are discussing about what atom, and in last class we have seen that we have reached inside the atom where we have reached up to energy level. What level? Energy level. And we also have seen that as according to quantum selection rule, each element in the periodic table is there is a arrangement. There is a perfect arrangement of each element in the periodic table according to quantum selection rule. If we will not use this quantum selection rule, then one cannot understand, or we cannot understand the actual distribution of what electron inside the atom. Okay, so how the electron is distributing inside the atom. So this we know very well by the way with the help of quantum selection rule. Yes, so as we see the energy level. Okay, so these are what energy level or orbital or energy shell. Now what we will do, we just take what microscope and zoom on this what energy level. Zoom on this energy level. How this energy, what is inside the energy level? Now we see here energy level, n is equal to what? 1, this 2, this 3, and this 4 and 5, so on. So if you see n is equal to 1, first energy level has one what energy subshell. First n is equal to 1 first. Second has 2 energy subshell. What? 2 energy subshell. We are zooming while zooming this energy level or orbit or energy shell. We are able to see through the microscope what the different energy subshell that is presented in each what energy level. In energy level 2 there is a 2 subshell. In energy level 3 there is a 3 subshell. What? 3 subshell. And energy level 4 there is a 4 subshell. What? 4 subshell. So these are the what atom. We are going inside the atom and we are seeing what these energy subshell. And these subshell shell, S shell, P shell, S shell, P shell, F, P, S, P, D, F. Okay, so if shell. So if you see this is S, P, D. So S, P. This is S, this is S, this is P. Here this is S, this is P, this is D, this is S, this is P, this is D, this is F. These are what? Subshell, where inside the energy level, as the number of energy level increases or number of orbit, the number of orbit increases, number of subshell also increase. What is this energy subshell? Now we have reached up to energy subshell. Okay, so we have zoomed out the energy level. Inside the energy level we are able to see what different energy subshell, which is S, P, D, F shell and so on. Okay, so now we will zoom out what different these shell. Now we will zoom out through the microscope these energy subshell. Is there any energy? The energy subshell, is there something? Yes, is there. What is that? That is orbital. That is orbital, not orbit. These are orbital. In each subshell there is what? In each subshell, in S shell there is a 1 orbit. In S shell there is 1 orbit, and P subshell there is 3 orbital. There is a 3 orbital. In D there is a 5 orbital. There is a 5 orbital. In F there is a 7 orbital. How many? 7 orbital. 7 orbital. In D there is a 5. There is a 5. In P there is a 3. There is a 3. In S there is a 1. In S there is 1. In P there is a 3. So this is what arrangement. What? This is what inside. This is what number of orbit that is staying inside the energy subshell. See, this is inside. This everything is inside the atom. Inside the atom. After going inside the energy level, what we found? We found different energy subshell. These energy subshell are increasing as the number of energy level increasing. Yes, so this is what the arrangement. Okay, so now these are the orbital. These are orbital. Now we will see inside the orbital. Now we will zoom out this orbital. Is there anything? Yes, is there. What is there? There is a quantum what? There is a quantum state or energy state. That is quantum state or energy state. In each orbital have 2 quantum state. how many? 2 quantum state or 2 energy state, 2 quantum state or 2 energy state, 2 energy state, 2 quantum state or 2 energy state, every orbital. Okay, in every orbital there is a 2 quantum state or 2 energy state where exactly the electron is sitting, where exactly the electron is sitting. Okay, so this is what about orbital. Inside the orbital we have zoomed out, we saw there what is there. There is energy state, there is an energy state or quantum state, which is the final state or final destination of what, where the electron is electron. Now yesterday we have seen what we are discussing about atom. So today we will see further inside the atom. We have reached up to what? Orbital level. Okay, so inside the orbital what is there? Let us see. So as we have seen these are what? Energy level. So these are what? Energy level or orbit or energy shell. Okay, then after that this is what? Nucleus. Okay, here the electron is revolving around what? Around nucleus. Okay, in every orbit the electron is revolving around the nucleus. Then after that we have zoomed out this portion of what? Energy level. We have seen what? Different energy subshell. Here n equal to 1, this is for n equal to 2, and this is for n equal to 3, n equal to what? 3, n equal to 3. So this is n equal to 4, n equal to 4. What is this? What are these? These are energy level. So and after that we have seen this every energy level, as the number of energy level increases, number of energy subshell increases. These subshells are S subshell, S P subshell, S P D subshell, S P D F subshell. These subshell will increase as the number of what? As the number of energy level increases, like S, P, D, F and so on. Okay, as this number increase, what are these number? Is principal quantum number. Okay, so these are the energy level. Okay, according to quantum selection rule. Okay, so now we will zoom out what? We will zoom out these energy subshell through microscope. When we zoom, what we found here? What we will found in every subshell? Orbital. How many orbital? Like in S subshell has 1 orbital. Every S subshell has 1 orbital. P subshell has 3 orbital. P subshell has 3 orbital. P subshell has 3 orbital. And D subshell has 5 orbital. How many? 5 orbital. Here D subshell 5 orbital. How many? 5. And F subshell have how many? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are what? Orbital. Orbital means electron house. Electron house is there. Inside the house is there something? Yes. What is that? That is nothing but what? Energy level, not energy. That is what? Energy state, not energy level. Energy level are these. Inside the house is what is there? That is energy state, not level. Energy state. So these are the energy state. In every orbit we have seen there is a 2 orbit. 2 what? Energy state. 2 energy state. Every orbital has 2 energy state, or it is also called as quantum state. These are what? Energy state. These are what? Energy state, or you can say these are quantum state. Quantum state. These are quantum state. Okay, so these are quantum state. These are the energy state or quantum state, where exactly the electron is sitting. So before sitting of electron, there is some condition that is given by what? Pauli exclusion principle. Pauli exclusion principle says that no two electron can sit in the same quantum state. No two electron can sit in the same quantum state. Okay, or you can say only one electron is allowed to occupy the single quantum state. So this is what orbital, inside orbital there is a what quantum state, and Pauli exclusion principle says that in every quantum state, every single quantum state, there must be only one electron, only one electron, and they must sit with opposite spin. With what? Opposite spin. These are the perfect arrangement of sitting for electron that is given by what? Pauli's exclusion principle. So this is the final destination where we have reached, and we have found the exact locations of what? Electrons. So this is very important, because we have explored inside the atom. First we went inside the atom, then after that we came to energy level. After that we found what? Number of energy subshell. Then after that we energy subshell. After that we found what? Orbital, and inside the orbital at last we found what? Quantum state. These are like a bed. Okay, now I am going to give you one of the best analogy to understand this atom. Okay, so otherwise it is somewhat difficult to understand how this atom, because 1, 2, 3 times you have to give time for this to understand. 1 to 3 times you can take revision of this, and for that I will give you one of the best analogy to understand the atom, what exactly the atom is. Because see, there is what? Nothing. First what we did, first we took what? One solid, then after from solid we took out one atom. After that atom we zoom out the atom, we found what? Number of energy level. After that we zoom out the energy level, we found number of energy subshell. After that we zoom out on the energy subshell, we further got what? Number of orbit. After that we zoom out what? Orbital. Inside the orbital we found at last what? Energy state, that is also called as quantum state. These are the exact locations of electron where the electron is sitting, and this sitting arrangement is given by some condition which is given by Pauli exclusion principle. So they must follow that what? Condition or Pauli exclusion principle. So this is all about what? The finding the locations of electron inside the atom, where they are sitting. They are sitting in where? Energy state or quantum state. Okay, so now I am going to give you one of the best analogy to understand this atom. Okay, so that's all.